Every time you dip your fries in ketchup, you probably never think about where it actually comes from. But the journey of ketchup actually begins far away in massive tomato farms like these. Every single day, thousands of tons of tomatoes arrive at factories like this. And this is where the incredible journey of tomato ketchup truly begins. The story of ketchup begins long before the factory, right here in massive tomato farms. Special varieties of tomatoes are grown specifically for making ketchup. Farmers carefully grow and monitor these tomatoes until they reach the perfect ripeness. During harvest season, thousands of workers carefully collect the ripest tomatoes. Modern harvesting machines can collect thousands of tomatoes every minute. Within hours, these freshly harvested tomatoes begin their journey to the ketchup factory. During harvest season, powerful machines move through the fields collecting thousands of tomatoes. The machine separates the tomatoes from the plants using a fast-moving conveyor system. Leaves, stems, and debris are removed automatically before the tomatoes continue forward. Once collected, the tomatoes are quickly gathered into large containers. During peak season, farms can harvest tons of tomatoes every single day. Within hours, these tomatoes will begin their journey to the ketchup factory. After harvesting, the tomatoes are quickly loaded onto transport trucks. Speed is important because the tomatoes must reach the factory while they are still fresh. Soon, the trucks arrive at massive food processing factories like this. And this is where the tomatoes officially begin their transformation into ketchup. Once inside the factory, the tomatoes move onto massive conveyor belts. Advanced cameras inspect every single tomato to check its color, size, and quality. Any damaged or unripe tomatoes are instantly removed from the production line. Only the highest quality tomatoes are allowed to continue through the production line. After sorting, the tomatoes move to the next stage, a deep cleaning process. Powerful water jets wash away any dirt, dust, or remaining debris. To ensure complete cleanliness, the tomatoes enter powerful industrial washing machines. Inside the machine, powerful water jets remove dirt and dust from every tomato. Multiple rinsing stages ensure the tomatoes are perfectly clean before processing. After washing, the tomatoes emerge completely clean and ready for the next stage. From here, the tomatoes travel deeper into the factory toward powerful crushing machines. And this is where the real transformation begins. The clean tomatoes are now ready to be crushed. Inside powerful grinders, the tomatoes are crushed into a thick red pulp. The pulp is then pumped through pipes to the next stage of processing. At this stage, the mixture passes through filters that remove seeds and tomato skins. What remains is a smooth tomato puree, the main ingredient of ketchup. Now the puree is ready to be transformed into the ketchup we know. The tomato puree is pumped into enormous cooking tanks. Inside these tanks, the mixture is slowly heated and constantly stirred. The heat slowly concentrates the flavor of the tomatoes. At this stage, ingredients like sugar are added to create ketchup's signature sweetness. Vinegar is added to give ketchup its famous tangy flavor. Carefully selected spices are added to create the signature ketchup taste. Slow cooking thickens the mixture and develops the rich flavor of ketchup. Advanced sensors ensure the ketchup reaches the perfect thickness. After cooking, the mixture moves into powerful blending machines. These machines blend the sauce until it becomes perfectly smooth. The result is a smooth, rich ketchup ready for quality testing. Special machines measure the thickness to ensure the ketchup has the perfect consistency. Experts also examine the color, texture, and flavor of every batch. Once approved, the ketchup is sent directly to the bottling line. Before packaging, every batch of ketchup must pass strict quality tests. Experts examine the color to ensure it has the rich red appearance consumers expect. They also measure thickness to guarantee the perfect consistency. Experts even taste the ketchup to ensure the flavor is perfectly balanced. Once approved, the ketchup is ready to move on to the bottling line. Once approved, the ketchup moves to the automated bottling line. High-speed machines position hundreds of bottles every minute. Each bottle is filled with the exact amount of ketchup. Within seconds, the bottles are ready for sealing. Next, automated machines seal each bottle with a secure cap. Labels are applied automatically to every bottle. Within minutes, hundreds of bottles are ready for packaging. Next, the finished bottles move to the packaging section. Robotic arms carefully place the bottles into cartons. Each carton is filled with multiple bottles ready for shipment. Automated machines seal the cartons to prepare them for shipping. Soon, the finished products are stacked and prepared for delivery. From the factory, ketchup bottles are shipped to stores around the world. And eventually, it reaches your plate. And that's the incredible journey of tomato ketchup, from farm to your plate.